Hello, Grace viewers. Thought of the day. We practice letting go, and in process, we find peace. We practice letting go, and in process, we find peace. Holding a glass of water will be an easy task because it all depends on how long you hold it. If it's for a minute or two, it's fairly light. If you hold it for an hour without relaxing, your arm will feel some discomfort and get numb. Longer you hold, the heavier it feels. Don't carry your worries and hurts for a long period. Then you feel incapable of doing anything without an interest. Let all your hard feelings go away. So, we practice letting go, and in process we find peace. Thank you. Have a great day.